Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Laura Weddle. She's an extension specialist for farm stress and rural mental health. Good morning, Laura.
Good morning. So glad to be here.
It's great to have you on the show with us. Now, May is Mental Health Awareness Month. And Laura, today you are going to talk to us about why this month is so important.
Great. Yeah, so the observation of Mental Health Awareness Month, it started in 1949. Nearly 1 in 5 Americans currently live with a mental health challenge. That's quite a large population. And Mental Health Awareness Month, it serves to assist us in so many different ways. It helps us to recognize the importance of mental health. It helps us to recognize the ways mental health challenges can impact our lives. And we can also learn about community resources for mental health and mental health challenges.
Laura, what is mental health?
So mental health is a term that kind of encompasses quite a bit, but it includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It can impact how we feel, think, and act. And it's a really important and essential part of every stage of human development in life. It influences how we relate to others and cope with stress and make decisions. So when we take care of our mental health, we're reducing our anxiety, we're improving our mood, improving relationships, and we can think more clearly.
Yeah, and I think we are so lucky to live in a time where mental health is really being considered because it hasn't always been that way. And with that, Laura, why is awareness so important?
It definitely is important. And when we make an effort to spread that awareness about the importance of mental health, we're working to reduce stigma in our communities, stigma around how we think about, identify, and approach mental health in our society. Mental health is important as our physical health. So if we have a physical ailment, for example, like a broken bone, we want to treat it so that condition doesn't worsen. It's the same with mental health. We want to remove any shame, fear, or stigma surrounding mental health so people are comfortable seeking those resources that they need. Intervention, it's a really big part of recovery. It's the key to recovery. And most communities have mental health resources available. The Community Mental Health Center in your area is a great place to start. For your all's area, the Community Mental Health Center is LifeSkills. But also, if you're in a crisis or experiencing suicidal ideation, there are ways that you can reach out and get help immediately. You should seek help immediately. So you can call 911 or the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, and that number is 1-800-273-8255. And that's available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. It's a national network of crisis centers all over the U.S. And they offer free, confidential emotional support to anyone who needs it.
And Laura, that suicide hotline, they offer a call line and a text line also. Is that correct?
Yes, so you can actually text any word. It's a crisis text line. Text any word to 741-741 and you'll get a response. I know a lot of folks prefer to text these days over phone calls.
Laura, this information has been so valuable. And if anyone has any questions about mental health, are there any resources through local extension offices that they can access?
Yes, we are equipping and educating all of our extension agents across the state on these types of things. So you can reach out to your local extension agent if you need some resources.
All right, Laura, thank you so much for being with us today. If you are watching and would like more information on mental health awareness, be sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.